Hey there guys, Compressed Time Customs again. We do have a Caprice 2012 PPV, and we're fixing actually the doors in the back. They didn't open, so we're trying to make them work, like from the inside, opening them up. And so here we go. Had a screw right here. It looks like a start to me, and it has another screw in here, and it has 3 screws in the bottom, and they're Phillips. So here we go. We're taking out the screws. The one right here by the handle's a little hard, so try to have like a longer Phillips screwdriver. And what we're trying to do, we're trying to fix the door locks, because I guess they used to use it for like the police, so they had the 2 doors in the back not working, the locks and to open it from the inside. Yeah, so you could we were struggling trying to open it from the outside all the time until we found the problem, and now we're fixing it and we should be good. So you just snap it out. That's a couple clips, pretty simple. And then it has another couple clips right here on top. Just try to do it slow so you won't break everything. And this is the cables that I'm talking about to open from the handle from inside, and the locks, so it could lock. And this is the 2 cables, and then you just gotta install them here on this side.
So check which one is it. We just pull them out.
Right. That one will be to lock and unlock. We know that one. So we're gonna put it straight where it locks and unlocks.
So I can insert right here.
It has like a little.
Oh, this one goes here.
That's the first one. That's the second one, and that's it. Make sure your connection for your windows is connected right, so you won't have a problem. They were working just fine. So do the same thing. Clip everything back on. And this is a 2012 Caprice PPV. We just put those screws back. There you go. So all these ex-police cars, trucks, SUVs, you could definitely make them work. Make work the windows and the door locks and the handles and everything. You just gotta take your time, open them up, and don't be afraid to do it yourself. It's gonna be cheaper, and you're gonna save a lot of money, man. You go to like a window place, and they're gonna try to charge you all this money and everything, and we just saved a lot of money right here doing this. Remember, put those screws. Remember not to lose them. There's only 3 or 4 screws all together. Bunch of clips. And we'll show you what we were talking about. Okay guys, so the results. We couldn't open it from the inside. Now we can. See, nice and easy. Now the locks work. The doors open. The windows go down. And perfect. Good job. You guys have a good day. Just trying to show you this Caprice PPV. Has a 6.0. Pretty cool car, man. We got it a little while back, and we're about to do a couple more things to it, tune it. But it does have that 6.0. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of this car. You guys have a good one, man. Thank you for watching.